Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Magic Fly. My name is Aditi. I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to review the Record lipsticks. I have already used them many times, so I thought let's share a review. I have 3 lipsticks from Record till now, and I'm definitely going to grab more pieces. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So before going ahead with the review, first of all, I would like to show you with the lipstick packaging. The packaging is quite sturdy, very nice. They look like this. They have a silver cap, and then the whole color of the lipstick is visible through the tube only, which is amazing because when you have a lot of lipsticks and you are in a hurry, it's always great when you have such kind of a packaging, which makes it very easy to find the exact shade you're looking for. So I really like the packaging, and also I would like to compare the packaging with ColourPop. I already have this ColourPop lipstick with me, and you can see how clear how similar the packaging is. The only difference is it has little frosted kind of a packaging, but it has a very clear packaging, but it looks quite similar. So I really like the packaging of these lipsticks, and these are the 3 shades that I have which I would be sharing with you in the video. So now let's talk about the pricing of these lipsticks. These are not very cheap, these are not very expensive, but these are somewhere in between, I would say, because the quality of these lipsticks is really amazing. It's mind-blowing actually. These lipsticks retail for 625 rupees, and if you order like from their website, Record USA website, you get 10% off on order of rupees 1000 above. So I think you can plan that way if you're planning to buy new shades. And the best part is the shade collection. They have amazing shade collection. Like they have such amazing variation of shades. Like they have these bright shades which I have purchased because I really wanted these kind of shades in my vanity, and they have amazing nude shades as well in their collection, so you can choose as per your liking and you can go ahead and purchase your favorite shades. So now let's talk about the formula. So the formula of these lipsticks is matte. When you apply it, applies little liquidy, but it dries down matte after 30 to 40 seconds. It takes little time to dry down, but it dries down completely matte. It doesn't budge, it doesn't move from your lips. But one thing I would like to say is that if you are using these lipsticks, make sure you are moisturizing your lips very well. You are hydrating your lips with the lip balm, because liquid lipsticks always damage your lips. So it is very important that you apply good amount of hydration to your lips. Then you can easily apply them and you can easily remove them when you want to. Okay, so now I would like to share with you the 3 shades that I have. These are the shades 3, 4, 5 coincidentally, and the shades names are like 04 is Wednesday. This shade is Wednesday. This is a pinkish kind of a shade, pinkish purplish shade. You can see, I'll give you the swatches also. Then this is the shade 05. This is Proposed Day. This is a fuchsia pink, as you can see. And then this is a beautiful red shade. This is 03 Rose Day. So I really like all the 3 shades. The colors are beautiful and Indian skin tone. I would highly recommend you to purchase these shades. If you are someone from medium to fair skin tone, all these 3 shades are going to rock on you. But I feel this fuchsia pink is especially for very fair skin tone. Even it will not look good on me. Personally, I don't like to wear such bright shades. But other than that, these 2 shades are really amazing for all the skin types from medium to fair skin tones. Now let's see the applicator of this lipstick. So the lipstick wand, it looks like this. As you can see, it has a curve and it applies beautifully on the lips. It's very easy to apply the lipstick, and in one swipe you get complete payoff. Like you don't have to again and again reapply the lipstick. That's the best part I feel about. And these are very comfortable on your lips. You don't feel you're wearing too much of lipstick, because some lipsticks have a formula that you feel like your lips are drained in lipstick or something like that, but with these lipsticks it's nothing like that. These lipsticks are very comfortable on your lips, and you will feel you are not wearing nothing, literally like nothing, and it lasts really long. So the longevity of these lipsticks is amazing. And now I'll insert the swatches of the 3 shades of the lipsticks now. So I feel these lipsticks are very decently priced for the quality you are getting. The amount of product you can see, it is great amount of product. Even if you wear lipsticks daily, we don't wear a similar shade daily, right? We change them. So yeah, the quality is amazing, the price is fine, the payoff is amazing, shade range is fabulous. Like seriously, they have such amazing stunning shades of lipsticks in their collection that you would be like spoiled for choice. So I really hope this mini review would help you in making your decision if you want to buy the Record lipsticks or not, but I would highly recommend them. I would give them a big thumbs up. Record lipsticks are my current favorite these days, and I'm really looking forward to stock them up more with more nude shades. So yes, this was all I wanted to share in this video. I really hope you enjoyed watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you're watching me for the very first time, and thank you so much for watching. Stay happy, stay blessed. Bye bye.